All right, this is the STRICH 7-string lyre beginner's kit, and it arrived safely, packaged up really nice. Everything was wrapped up and safe. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Kind of cool. Inside the package, you are going to get the lyre itself. You get this nice gig bag that came with it. It is a dual zipper. Have a little strap. You can strap it to your back. The thing is super light too, by the way. Lightly padded bag, and you have a nice zippered front pocket right here. You can store your strings and your tuning wrench, etc. You get a nice little soft cloth here to wipe it down. Matter of fact, I'm going to put the lyre on the soft cloth for now. You get a spare set of strings with it. A couple of picks, and these are thin picks. You get a tuning wrench, very similar to a piano tuning wrench. And you get a user manual, a couple of songs in it, and you get a tuning sequence you can tune it to here, D, E, G, A, B, D, E. And there are many different ways to tune a lyre. You know, this is just one of many. Another song in here. So pretty much everything you need in here except for a tuner. And there are apps out there that you can get for free and just tune it using your phone. I like to use a snark. So we have a nice looking, really nice looking wood grain mahogany body. It's got a bone saddle on it. What I like about this is it strings from the back. We've got ferrules through the holes here to protect the wood, just like on a lot of higher end guitars. 7 strings, obviously. There's your sound hole, and we've got the 7 tuning pegs on top, which are driven into the wood. Again, very similar to a piano. This is my first experience with a lyre. We have 3 wrapped strings and 4 unwrapped strings. We've got D, E, G, A, B, D, again, and E. Got a nice little sound to it. Like I was saying before, I used a snark to tune it. I just clipped it on here. If you're used to playing a stringed instrument like a guitar or a bass, you know how to tune those and you know the play that you have in there. There's very little play in these, so be careful when you're tuning it. A tiny little turn will make the string jump, you know, so you're going to want to take your time, carefully maybe bounce the tuner a little bit, you know, to get it into place. And sometimes what I like to do with new strings is that, you know, they always stretch, so I'll tune them slightly high and then maybe stretch it back down into position and then tune it again the next day, because new strings will stretch. So it has I think it has a pretty cool sound to it. Easy to play with your hand, or you can put a pick on here and palm mute it. Nice sound. It's not a loud sound, you know, because it's a little instrument. It's got a small sound hole. It's not supposed to be super loud. Nice looking, nice sound. They've given me everything I need right out of the box except for a tuner, which I have, or you can use an app, and you just tune it up and you're good to go. Very nice.